Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Best GIS Tutorial, and today lecture I will show you how to download global building footprint data from Microsoft. So here you can see that's the type of data we will download, and today lecture here you can see this is the data, FAQ data which we will download for any country. So here at the top I show you something else. You can see that here is the Microsoft website and global ML building footprint data, and here is the introduction. Microsoft recently released the building footprint data imaginary between 2014 and 2021, including XR and Airbus imaginary. This data is freely available for download and used under ODBL dataset completely. So I will show you how to download this data from beginning step by step, and I will open these footprints and GIS and QGIS software, and we will further explain it how to open this data in QGIS software. So opened new tab and here search global building footprint from Microsoft. Here you can see that Microsoft global building footprint data. Click on this link and here you can see this interface, and this is the Microsoft global ML building footprint website, and you can download data from here. So click on this one. After that you will see this interface. You can here sign up or sign in if you have account in Microsoft website, but I have no account in Microsoft website, but I will download data and I will show you how to download data without any sign up or sign in. So here you can see I open the same website, and here you can see the same interface before I explain, and this is this type of data we will download, which is in vector form. Now here you can see now select your study area and your country, for which country you want to download the data. Here is the list of the whole world, and there are too many different countries in this list. You can choose your country and select the data, and then download the data for your own country. So I want to just download the data for this country, French Guiana. So click on this link, and here you can see that the data is downloaded. Now go to folder and show the data in folder, and here you can see that the data is downloaded in download folder. Now copy this data or cut this data and go to a particular folder and paste the data here. Now here we will extract the data. Yes, extract. Now you can see that the data is extracted. Now open QGIS software, and here you can see that QGIS interface is opened. Now go to layer and add the layer, and click on add layer and click on vector layer, because the data we download which is in vector form or in vector format. So click on add vector layer and go to here, select by folder, and here you can see we paste this data and extract this data. Now click on this one and add this data. We can open it. Now click on the add button, wait for that, the data will be added. Here you can see that the data is added. Now close this window dialog box, and here you can see we will add this data to Quantum GIS software, which we download from Microsoft website. Now zoom this data to the frame to see the building footprint data. Here you can see that is the all building footprint data which we can download from Microsoft website. So you can use this data for your research purpose, or you can extract your study area data from this whole country data. By this way you can download data for other country such as United States, London, America, or for any other country, India, such as India, Indonesia, Nepal. You can also download this data for each and every country and for your study area location. Then you can extract your study area, and further you can use it for your purpose, that for what purpose you need such type of data. I hope that you will understand that how to download such type of data and how to import this data into GIS software. I hope so that you will like this lecture. I will recommend this data to you to download this data for your research purpose. Thank you so much.